Is your website loading very slowly? Let me refresh my website and show you it is loading very slowly. So I want to increase its loading speed. So you can see images and other stuffs are loading very slowly and automatically. So what I need to do, I need to go to my dashboard and disable lazy load. Sometime lazy load is automatically added in theme or sometime by web hosting service as well. So I need to disable it on my WordPress. So I will give you the easiest method, no code method. I will not use any coding because there are so many videos in which codes are used. So I will not use any code. I will go to plugins and click on add plugin. Herein I will search for a plugin. I will search for a plugin disable lazy load by Zap Star. I will look for this. So this is the plugin by Zap Star, disable lazy load. So just need to install it and it will automatically work for you. It will automatically disable the lazy load, whether it is on your theme or whether it is on your backend on your web hosting. Sometime it comes on theme and sometime on web hosting. Some non-technical people do not know how to disable lazy load. So this is the plugin by Zappros. You just need to click on activate and it will work automatically for you, and it will definitely resolve this issue, the lazy loading issue of your web pages or your theme section. So it is very valuable thing which you can use. So I hope friends your website will now load properly. In case you face any problem, you can mention it in comment section. I will make sure to give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.